Hey everyone, it's Debbie here from Southern Delight. I have a special treat today. My son is in the kitchen, which he won't let me photograph him, but he's going to give me his recipe here. He's doing Cowboy Caviar. All right, take it away. What are we doing?
Okay, so first we got a can of black beans put into the bowl, drained and rinsed. Next thing we're going to add is 1 to 2 cans of Rotel with chilies and lime. Put this to your spice taste. Since this is going to work, I had to go mild because I do not want to burn the good ladies up at work. So, and you do not have to drain this can. And the reason it's 1 to 2 cans is you just want to see to taste. I'm going to add 2 because I don't feel like there's enough in here, and that's with these smaller cans. Alright, so I'm putting in my second can now of the Rotel. Now this also has the cilantro in it. Just adds a little bit of extra flavor. Alright, next thing you want to put in is fire roasted corn. You want to use the fire roasted, not the regular sweet, because it gives it a nice smoky flavor. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it does taste good. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is cut up some avocado. Basically, we're just going to half this, clean it out, cut it into cubes, and drop it in. So I got my avocado all diced up nice and I guess medium-sized pieces. The next thing I'm going to do, I've added a little lime juice to it to keep it from turning brown. We're just going to put it in. And this is the messy part if you're not careful. Alright, next you want to just gently fold it in. You don't want to mash up the avocado too much, unless you like guacamole. Gives it a nice, pretty color too. Alright, once you're satisfied with how mixed up it is, you're done. Get you some scoops chips and enjoy.
We got some chips.
They're behind you.
I think they think we're here to feed them.